Blocking on X, formerly Twitter, is a core privacy feature that lets you control who can interact with you. When you block someone, they lose the ability to follow you, view your posts, send direct messages, or mention you in replies unless you initiate the conversation. Past interactions remain but are hidden from their view. This guide will walk you through how to block accounts on both mobile and desktop platforms. For mobile devices running iOS or Android, here's how to block someone on X. First, navigate to the profile of the person you want to block. Tap the profile icon, which is typically 3 dots or an arrow located on their profile page. From the menu that appears, select the block option. Confirm your choice when prompted by the alert dialog. For desktop web browsers, the process is similar but adapted for mouse interaction. First, go to the profile of the person you want to block on the X website. Click the 3-dot menu icon, which appears on their profile page or next to one of their tweets. From the drop-down menu, select the block option. Confirm your action to complete the blocking process. To unblock someone, go to your settings, select Privacy and Safety, then Blocked Accounts, and choose to unblock. Remember, blocking only affects your own experience on X. It works alongside muting for silencing without blocking and reporting for abuse. The platform's algorithm may also suggest blocks based on your interaction history.